Would you believe me if I told you this scratch disappears in just 5 minutes with toothpaste? Stick around because today I'm going to show you one of the simplest, cheapest, and surprisingly effective tricks to make those annoying scratches on your card almost vanish. And yes, we're doing it with something you already have in your bathroom: toothpaste. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Make Electech, your go to channel for easy car hacks, tech tips, and DIY fixes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our awesome hack. So let's get started. The first thing we'll do is boil some water for about 2 minutes. This is going to help soften up the scratched area, loosening the paint molecules a little so the toothpaste can work its magic. Once the water is ready, carefully pour it over the scratched surface. Be careful not to burn yourself, but don't worry, it won't damage the car. Now comes the fun part. Take a bit regular white toothpaste, not the gel kind, and apply it at directly to the scratch. Using a microfiber cloth, start rubbing the area in gentle circular motions. Once you've worked it in, grab up a clean microfiber cloth and wipe the area dry. And just like that, tada! The scratches are almost invisible. A quick, simple, and budget friendly solution using something we all have at home. And that's how you remove car scratches with toothpaste. If you found this hack helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below telling me what hack you want me to try next. Your support means everything, it helps me keep making awesome content for you guys. So let's grow this community together. Subscribe to Make Electech today and join the family.